Welcome to the Across Citizen front-end application landing page. Step into the gateway of Across, where our Citizen front-end application promises a world of convenience and connectivity. Navigate through the sections to uncover what sets Across apart as your preferred relocation companion. Scroll down or use the left side menu to explore your chosen sections. In the What We Offer section, discover the essence of Across through key numbers, supported journeys, involved countries, available languages, and registered services. A concise summary of the essential steps to initiate a journey is presented in the section below. Experience the ease of planning your travels with Across. Explore the Testimonies section, where users share their experiences with the Across web application. Let their stories inspire your journey with us. In Who We Are, meet our esteemed partners who collaborate with Across to redefine relocation experiences, reflecting our commitment to excellence and reliability. Delve deeper into the Across experience with our informative video in the Learn More section at the bottom of the page. Immerse yourself in the narrative that encapsulates the essence of Across. For a comprehensive understanding of your data security, explore our privacy policy document. Click the link at the bottom of the page to prioritize your privacy. You can change the language of the application by using the drop-down menu in the top right corner of the screen, before, during, or after signing in. To access the Across application, sign in effortlessly using either the top right login button, the sign in button here, or, if you prefer, click on the Explore by Yourself button found in the What We Offer section. On the login page, you have the flexibility to sign in using either your Across account credentials or your IDAS credentials. If you're new to the app, simply click on the Register link to create your account. Once logged in, seamlessly navigate through various pages using the left side menu. On the initial homepage, access a quick tutorial by clicking here. Initiate a new journey with the Start Journey button, or review your ongoing journeys by clicking on the My Journeys button. Upon clicking the Start Journey button, you'll be directed to this menu. Here, you can select your country of origin, specify the purpose of your journey, and choose the destination country. Please note that only specific combinations are available based on the provided journeys. Upon pressing the Start button, you'll be prompted to confirm the journey start. If a journey with the same parameters, i.e., country of origin, journey purpose, and destination country, has already been initiated, you will receive a notification advising you to complete or delete the existing journey before attempting to start a new one. If the journey is not yet initiated, it will commence, and you will be redirected to its details. A user guide will be prompted to assist you through the steps, ensuring a successful completion of your journey. After completing the journey guide, easily navigate through the various phases by clicking on the phase titles at the top of the wizard or using the Next button located in the top right corner. At any point, you can revisit the guide by clicking the Info button on the journey header. To return to the My Journeys menu, simply close the wizard by clicking the Close button on the top left of the wizard. Each phase comprises a set of actions that must be undertaken to proceed. You may update the status of an action via this drop-down menu. When all actions of a phase are set to finished or skipped, the phase will be marked as completed. To fulfill an action, one or more services can be utilized, either online or offline. For online services, you may either apply directly through Across application or be redirected to their website by clicking on the relevant button. Regarding offline services, you can access the related information on how to utilize the service by clicking on the Service arrow button, which will display the service points and the contact information. While in the service view, you have the flexibility to manually set the status of the service, if necessary. Additionally, you can designate a service as a favorite, allowing you to access it conveniently on the Favorite Services page, or review the service's status history by clicking on the clock icon. The flag icon provides information about the country offering this service. If the service is an online service and you have the option to apply directly through the Across application, you might be required to provide consent for the usage of your personal or non-personal data by the service provider, in accordance with GDPR regulations. In such instances, a notification will inform you about the number of services that require your consent, right after starting the journey, and you can go through them by visiting the Transparency dashboard. A shield icon will also be displayed on the left of the relevant service name, in case consent is required but not granted yet. Upon clicking the Apply button, a pop-up will appear detailing the data for which consent is needed. You can choose to give consent for mandatory data only, or for all data, both mandatory and optional, by clicking on the relevant buttons in the pop-up. Alternatively, you may opt to be redirected to the Transparency dashboard page for a more detailed view and control over your personal data on each service. If you choose not to give your consent for the usage of this data by the service provider, you will not be able to proceed with the application for this service via CROSS. Conversely, if you decide to allow the service provider to access your personal data via CROSS, after choosing the category of data for which you grant consent and clicking the Submit button, you will receive a list of the data that consent has been granted to. After closing this pop-up, the application form for this service will appear on the screen. After filling in all the required fields of the application form, you can submit it to the service provider. The service status will be updated accordingly. If the service offers an immediate response, you will be notified through a new pop-up. You may download the response immediately by clicking the Download Response button. Please note that no personal documents are stored in the Across application, so be sure to save your response for future reference. In the event that the service provider responds later, you will receive a notification indicating the updated status of the specific service. If there is also a reply, a new button will appear in the service card, prompting you to view the service response. Please note that to access the final phase of the wizard, your journey must be fully completed, limiting any further actions. Once your journey is complete, meaning you've fulfilled all the required actions in every phase and are ready to relocate, you can seamlessly proceed to the final phase. Here, you have the option to return to the My Journeys menu or leave a comment on this specific journey by clicking on the Share Experience button. Your feedback will be visible in the relevant login page section after being reviewed by the application's administrators. While in the My Journeys menu, you can effortlessly manage your journeys. View a comprehensive list of all your journeys, whether currently active or terminated, and initiate a new journey by clicking the Start Journey button. Each journey is represented by a descriptive card highlighting its origin, purpose, and destination. The current status, either running or terminated, is displayed in a ribbon on the top right of each card. To terminate the journey, click the red button on the top left of the card. Delete the journey by using the trash icon button on the bottom right corner, or edit the journey name by clicking the Edit button on the bottom left corner of the card, allowing you to give it a more friendly name. Gain a quick overview of the journey, including a brief description, a summary of actions needed, total, pending, finished, and skip, and the date of journey creation. For a detailed look into the required actions, click on either the total, pending, or skipped actions remaining to access the full list of actions that must be completed to finish your journey. Navigate to a specific journey by clicking the Continue Journey button or by selecting the main card of the journey. For quick retrieval, use the search field in the top right, where you can search by typing the origin or destination country. If a friendlier name has been given to a journey, you can use that name for your search as well. If a journey in this list is marked as finished, the entire journey will be grayed out. While you can still leave feedback on this specific journey by clicking the Feedback button, or visit the journey to review its phases, actions, and services, no further actions can be taken for that journey. The only available action at this point is to share your experience about the journey by clicking the Share Experience button when visiting the last phase of the journey. You can access a list of services you have marked as favorites on the Favorite Services page. This page includes a comprehensive list of all initiated journeys, each displaying its favorite services. Here, you have the flexibility to update the status of a favorite service, review the offering country, unmark a service from favorite to non-favorite, or check the service's status history. Additionally, you can navigate to the Journey Overview page by clicking on the button that indicates the phase and action to which the service belongs. Furthermore, you may apply directly to the service or be redirected to its website by clicking the relevant button. You can be redirected to the Transparency dashboard by clicking on the relevant submenu choice on the left side menu. Lastly, if you have admin rights, you can visit the admin page, where you can manage user stories shared by users. You have the authority to approve or reject pending user feedback and review the list of all user stories, whether they are approved or rejected. To switch to dark mode, click on your initials button located at the top right of the screen. Choose dark mode from the submenu. To return to light mode, select the light mode option. For logging out, click on the Log Out button within the same submenu, and confirm your choice to exit the application. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Across Citizen front-end application. We hope this detailed walkthrough has provided you with a clear understanding of how Across simplifies the relocation process by integrating essential services into one user-friendly platform. Remember, whether you're initiating a new journey, managing your ongoing journeys, or accessing your favorite services, Across is designed to make your relocation experience seamless and efficient. We appreciate your time and look forward to assisting you on your relocation journey with Across.